Yeah, man. Hope everybody out there alright, you know. But me have some advice. I see that music here. Want to listen it keenly. It's a soundtrack for the next movie coming. You know what I mean? So the movie name Bad Investment. You know what I mean? Or Sad Investment. We soon figure it out, but you see the name come up still. But watch the music video in the meantime. It's not really a music video, it's just something I just flick up. But I want to listen to the words of the song. Alright? Alright, this one. As usual. As regular. You know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground. Some people out the world are wonder and say, nah, I'm broke again, do I know?
If I was a chopper and make a lot of money, I woulda invest my money, no girl can done me. If I was a chopper, make a lot of money, I woulda invest money and I make nobody done me. It's time to change up the mentality. It's more than that what we see. This country run by overseas. We want a good life, the rich life. Me and my friend them for rich life. Masamosa, like Masamosa. And this is life. We want to live the sweetest life. Jump off in the pool now. We now play the fool now. And everything cool now. Listen me keenly. If I was a chopper, make a lot of money, I woulda invest the money and not make nobody done it. Yeah. If I was a chopper, make a lot of money, I woulda invest money and not make nobody done it. Yeah, you. Be wise now in this time. Be wise now in this time. Be wise now in this time. Gotta be wise now in this time. I used to have a lot of money in these hands, and I don't know where it ends. But if I ever get some money back in this hand, my lesson now let me learn. I get a lot of money in these hands, and I don't know where it ends. But if I ever get back some money in this hand, my lesson I will learn. If I was a chopper, make a lot of money, would I invest it and make nobody never done it. But everything good though, life is sunny. Burn it down to the ground. Burn it down to the ground. Yeah. Ladies, yeah.
Yeah, man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. Yeah, man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. You know where you go? Cowboy barber shop. I want bar the right the same way so you can have a drink before you get a haircut, or have a drink after you do your haircut. You know what I mean? You see it on the screen, see the number there, book your date. Don't be late. You know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground. Westmoreland, Betheltown. You can't see the location, man. Right side of the post office. You know what I mean? Right there, so. You know the location. You can roll in. Support. Tell them some fire rats, you know. Is it? Yeah, man. Burn it down to the ground. Betheltown. Westmoreland.